Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and add clickable link in your YouTube shorts. So what you gotta do is, first of all, make sure that you will just go to, just go to your YouTube and just copy a link of the video that you would like to add. So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, and if you see, for example, I'll just take any of the video from here, tap on this three dot given, tap on this share option, and go ahead, copy the link, and then you will go to your shorts of your account. Right after going to channel, what you will do is simply tap on this manage videos option, go to your shorts over here, and whatever shorts you have uploaded right here in this channel, you will go ahead, tap on this three dot, tap on this edit option, and this will happen when you have the videos here in your draft. So what you will do is, you can see there's a description box, right? Go ahead, tap on it. Here you will simply go ahead and paste your link that you just copied. Go ahead, paste this. As you can see, this link is now pasted. Right, once you're done pasting, you can go back and tap on the save option. It will be saved with the shorts right there, and it's gonna be clickable when you post. So right guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.